it is, guys. The bone straight here from Vietnam. Yes, Vietnam is the best. Look at it.
Why?
Bone straight here. You can't go wrong. Guys, you can't go wrong. Look at the bones. Look at the bones. I mean, it cut so fabulous. Look at it. Look at it. See the bones? What are you guys waiting on? You need to make your order. I make my orders and I get all I order. Everything I order, I get it. It wasn't no mistake, nothing. My order was complete. Look at it. And guess what? I ordered from Suriname. Yes.